pati po pala ang Committee on Justice guys, nakatikim din po kay Senator Marcoleta. So bakit po? Kasi po hindi nila binasa yung mga grounds po na ipinasa ni Senator Marcoleta. Hindi rin po nila pinansin yun pong ipinasa ni Senator Amy at yung ibang kaso pa na nakafile po sa kanila laban po kay Boying Rimulya. So yun po ang problema sa kanila. Ano po, hindi nila yon, wala silang pakialam doon sa mga yon. So inilagay pa rin nila yung pangalan ni Rimulya, ni Boying, kahit na ang dami-dami ng grounds, ang dami na pong kaso na nakabinbin laban po kay Boying. So yan po ang problema sa bansa natin. Ano po, hindi po natin alam kung takot lamang po ito o nagkaabutan na. Yun hindi natin alam. So pakinggan po ninyo guys kung ano po yung nangyari dyan sa Committee on Justice.
This representation, Justice, filed a sworn opposition to the application of Secretary Rimulya to the Office of the Ombudsman on two grounds. Secretary Rimulya publicly announced that he added restitution as requirement to the Witness Protection Program. That requirement does not exist in the law, but he insisted. Second, the Secretary's affirmation of the bending the law constitutes a violation of the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability. That justice, to my mind, clearly indicates or demonstrates the lack of required legal acumen as well as adherence to the standards of probity befitting an ombudsman. These two grounds, Mr. Justice, are not enough for the JBC to consider. We're not interpreting the Constitution, Mr. Justice. I'm asking you whether the rule of law is still the foundation of our Constitution.
It is very much the foundation.
When somebody affirms that the law can be bended, that is inconsistent with the Constitution, don't you think so?
Yes, sir.
And if you hear it from no less than the Secretary of Justice, abrogating all the cornerstones of our belief in ourselves, in our Constitution, then you still include him as an applicant to the Ombudsman. Somebody who will preside over the lives, the properties and liberties of every citizen of this country. You take light of that. The JBC will take light of that, Mr. Justice.
My position is different. I am a believer of the rule of law. I was very aware that our decisions will be considered as precedents by those following us. That's why I believe in the rule of law.
So ayun, chairperson din po pala dyan guys si Senator Marcoleta, no? So iba talaga si Senator Marcoleta. At sana maging maayos na ang sistema ng ating bansa. Sana magkaroon pa tayo ng pag-asa. At please follow, like, and share naman po dito guys. Thank you.